Produce in the front, milk in the back, candy at the checkout. It's all designed to get you to spend more time and money.
More characters, more colors, sounds, lights, put the toys up front.
All right, come on, 7.
Now, a new report from the Casino Guide website, casino.org, claims modern grocery stores are designed like a casino. They say supermarkets have no windows, just like casinos, so you don't know it's getting late. Give you a multi-sensory experience of sights and sounds to keep you happy. Steer you to the right when you walk in, just like casinos, and place milk and eggs in the back, just like casinos make you hike to the cheaper slots. And from the Doesn't That Stink file, the fact that it works. Nutritionist Lauren Nemes told me last year.
Supermarkets have lots of strategies that they're using to get consumers to purchase foods.
That colorful produce up front puts you in a happy mood. That latte stand is just like the casino bar and might have you saying, "Doesn't that stink?" if you sip, linger, and shop another 20 minutes. So the next time a supermarket display catches your eye and you say, "Wow, maybe I should buy that," just remember it's all part of their plan. Whatever you buy, don't waste your money.